Life often presents us with pivotal moments where the path forward is not always clear-cut. These junctures force us to contemplate our choices, weighing the options before us with careful consideration. Should we pursue higher education or dive straight into our careers? Is it time to accept that enticing job offer, or should we explore other opportunities? And what about matters of the heart? Do we commit to a relationship or continue to search for something more? These questions, with their myriad implications, hold significant weight in shaping the course of our lives. In moments of uncertainty, it's only natural to seek guidance, to look for signs from the universe that we're making the right decisions. We yearn for validation, for reassurance that we're aligning our choices with a higher purpose. The desire for clarity can become almost overwhelming as we search for definitive answers to life's complex dilemmas. We hope for a roadmap from the universe, a clear directive pointing us in the right direction. After all, so much hinges on our choices: finding the right life partner, choosing the ideal career path, seizing the opportunities that come our way. But is it realistic to expect such explicit guidance from the universe? The truth is, life seldom comes with a predetermined map, and the universe's guidance isn't always as direct as we might wish. Yet, amidst the uncertainty, there is wisdom to be found. While the universe may not offer clear-cut answers, it does provide us with tools to navigate life's twists and turns with confidence and wisdom. The key lies in understanding that the universe's guidance often emerges as we take action, not before we've even begun. It's about embracing the journey, recognizing that the universe encourages us to move forward, even if the path ahead is unclear. Philosopher Albert Camus once remarked, "Life is the sum of all your choices. In this context, every decision we make becomes a crucial part of our life's journey, shaping our experiences and shaping who we are." The universe urges us to see choices not as obstacles but as opportunities for growth and learning. Whether our decisions lead us down the expected path or into uncharted territory, they are all essential steps on our journey. It's not so much about making the right choice as it is about how we navigate the path once we've chosen it. While we may crave certainty and assurance before making significant decisions, the universe reminds us that faith and confidence are equally important. We are encouraged to pray, to seek wisdom from trusted sources, and to consult with others before taking action. Whether it's deciding on a life partner, making a career move, or choosing a college, the universe invites us to step forward with courage and conviction. Even in the absence of complete assurance, taking a leap of faith is essential. For faith without action is dormant and unfulfilled. The universe teaches us that life is a journey of growth and self-discovery, where every decision we make contributes to our evolution as individuals. It's about embracing the unknown, trusting that the universe will guide us in the right direction. Waiting for 100% certainty before making a choice is often unrealistic. Instead, we are called to have faith, to move forward with courage, knowing that every step we take brings us closer to our true purpose. At the heart of it all is the profound realization that our journey is not determined solely by our choices, but by how we navigate the path once we've set it in motion. It's about remaining open to growth, adaptation, and learning from both our successes and our failures. The universe reminds us that what truly matters is not just which path we choose, but how we journey along it, evolving and learning as we go. Embracing decisions as essential components of our journey also entails understanding the significance of personal growth. The universe invites us to see mistakes not as failures, but as opportunities for learning and growth. By taking responsibility for our choices and learning from them, we become individuals who seek guidance, align our actions with the universe's purpose, and actively engage in life's challenges. It's not about avoiding mistakes, but about being willing to make choices, to learn, and to grow. As we delve deeper into understanding what the universe wants us to do, we come to realize that clarity and certainty are not prerequisites for action. Instead, it's about trusting the process, remaining open to the lessons that life presents us, and embracing uncertainty as an essential part of the journey. By adopting this mindset, we can navigate life's complexities with grace and resilience, knowing that every decision we make brings us one step closer to our true purpose. Amidst the multitude of choices we face throughout our lives, there is one decision that stands above all others: the decision to embrace the divine. By surrendering to the wisdom and guidance of the universe, we align ourselves with our true purpose and open ourselves to a path of spiritual growth and fulfillment. It's a decision that defines our identity as individuals on a spiritual journey and sets the stage for all other choices to fall into place. In essence, the video invites us to embark on a journey of self-discovery and alignment with the universe's purpose. It encourages us to trust in the wisdom of our choices, knowing that each decision, no matter how small, has the potential to shape our destiny. By embracing uncertainty and surrendering to the divine, we open ourselves to a path of spiritual growth, fulfillment, and alignment with the universe's purpose. Just as the young professional in the story found clarity through discernment and reflection, so too can we navigate life's complexities with courage and wisdom. By embracing both divine guidance and our own intellect, we chart a course that resonates with our deepest values and aspirations. It's about finding harmony between intuition and analysis, allowing our minds to be instruments in aligning with the universe's purpose. Ultimately, the video offers a profound reminder that our journey is not predetermined but shaped by the choices we make along the way. By embracing uncertainty and surrendering to the divine, we open ourselves to a path of spiritual growth, fulfillment, and alignment with the universe's purpose. As you consider watching the video, reflect on your own journey and the choices that have brought you to this moment. How can you align more fully with the universe's purpose and embrace the wisdom of your own decisions? Let the video serve as a guidepost on your path toward greater understanding and alignment with the divine. In accepting the divine, we acknowledge that our lives find true meaning when aligned with the universe's purpose. It's a transformative journey, where every decision we make brings us closer to our true purpose and opens us up to a deeper understanding of ourselves and the world around us. As you embark on this journey of self-discovery and alignment with the universe's purpose, know that you are not alone. The universe is always there, guiding and supporting you every step of the way. Embrace the journey, trust in the process, and let the wisdom of the universe be your guide. Now, armed with a deeper understanding of the universe's purpose and guidance, take the next step on your journey with confidence and conviction. And may your path be filled with love, light, and infinite possibilities.